Yo, what's up, guys? We out here with the homie Larry right now, and we got this fucking view. We heading up to Leo Creole, and you see the piece of shit. My mater right there. But yeah, we out here. We're going to Leo Creole today. We gonna do a big. It feels pretty good for a beach right now, honestly.
Yeah, and it said it was gonna be like 60.
Already like halfway through my food. More than halfway, but it's dank. And homie got that fucking fish sandwich though. If you guys do come to California, I recommend, definitely recommend coming to Neptune's Net. It's on PCH up the coast. It's a really good place, and yeah, it's just really fire. It's just so good, bro. It's actually his first time being here, so recommend definitely coming here.
Good, man.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a hut. Oh, there you go.
It's a hut. Pretty cool.
Anyone in there?
No, I don't think so.
Ah, shit. Let's go in this hut. Let's see what's up. We're gonna go chill in that. Oh shit, oh shit.
Dude, this could be the kickest spot.
Dude, this is dope.
This is the kickest spot.
Yeah, we'll just chill here. Fuck it.
I'll just send them my location.
Hey guys, Lil and Panda were here a little bit, like 2 days ago actually. No one cares who that is. It's like a little fucking paradise. Oh, this is totally going on. Look at that. Just camp in here, bro. What? That'd be dope.
You have a little thing already built for you and shit.
This is cool.
You have a little fucking
Yeah, pretty much
right
like
there.
Yeah, you can tell they've been burning shit right there. I wouldn't burn anything in here though.
No, like a little, not like a barbecue, but you know what I mean, like a,
Something to keep
a
warm.
gas stove.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
So it's a little one, you just could like cook the little things on it and shit.
Fit like 2 people in here, 3 people max. Like one person like right here. If we move the rocks out of the way, and then one right there.
Somebody can lay up here too. Oh, dude, there's a piece.
So I think I'll fuck with this. I don't think. It's alright. I'll bring some ant spray one day. Like we're ever gonna come back to this spot maybe.
Dude, they built this shit well.
They did. Ugh, that view is nice though, like.
Yeah, they did this in the perfect spot.
For real. Best spot. For his girl's birthday. Big ass heart with her name in it, I do believe. That's her name, right? In the middle?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't know. Shit.
Do you not know how to spell my fucking name?
No, I don't. Stop cussing on my channel.
You already said it's her fucking birthday.
I know. I need to stop cussing on my channel too.
Is all your shit still in there?
No, I took it out. It's all right there, back right there. Everything's right there. It's all good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but big ass motherfucking shit right here. I got you guys' stuff. This says happy birthday. Yeah. And she wanted that, so I gave it to her. So yeah, they're probably gonna go in there and trip out that her stuff is gone. Hey, tell them I got their stuff too. They're tripping right now. Oh, look at this. Look at I know those are nasty. Don't even look at those. But look how bad that is. Something happened out there. Shit hurts like a bitch. But yeah. My leg. It hurts. View. Yeah, we came to the beach because it's her birthday. It's pretty much all we came to the beach for was her big birthday. So yeah, we outros. Now I think we're leaving the beach. I'm not sure, but I'm probably gonna be leaving soon. Yeah, guys, this is just a beach day. Yeah, we're at the beach still. There's more people now that we're here. The reason why we came to the beach is because I don't know if you can read the stuff that's right there. It's going on or see it. It's the homegirl's birthday. Show you whose birthday it is. It's her fucking birthday, guys. So you guys gotta say happy birthday. You guys can see this. It was yesterday, but put in this video tomorrow though. It's gonna be yesterday. Yeah, so you gotta talk like you're in the future. Got this jawler over here. I'm about to show you guys what he drew on the fucking sand.